EE Broadband Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. EE Broadband is one of the leading broadband providers in the UK, offering a wide range of options for both home and business use. Known for its reliability and fast speeds, EE has built a solid reputation. In this review, we'll dive into the features, strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. EE offers both standard broadband and fibre optic broadband, with speeds ranging from 36 megabit per second up to 900 megabit per second on their fastest full fibre plans. The service is designed for users with a variety of needs. Whether you're a casual browser or a heavy gamer or streamer, EE has a plan that suits different internet usage levels. Their full fibre plans are perfect for households needing the highest speeds for multiple devices, while the standard broadband plans offer solid speeds at a more affordable price. One of EE's main strengths is its high-speed offerings. As part of the BT Group, EE leverages the same extensive fibre network, meaning it delivers a reliable and fast service. For many customers, this equates to fewer disruptions and less downtime. Another strong point is EE's customer service, which has received positive reviews for quick response times and helpfulness. Additionally, EE provides an impressive 12-month price lock, ensuring customers won't face sudden price hikes for a year. However, EE Broadband is not without its downsides. One of the biggest drawbacks is that its broadband prices tend to be slightly higher than some competitors, especially for higher speed plans. While its full fibre network is expanding, it's still not available everywhere, which limits options in rural areas. Also, the entry-level packages may feel slow for heavy users or larger households. In conclusion, EE Broadband is an excellent choice for those who prioritise speed, reliability and customer service. It's ideal for medium to heavy internet users and households that need strong and uninterrupted connections. However, those looking for more affordable plans or living in areas without full fibre availability may want to consider other options.